Take 5 acharyas, Shankaracharya, Ramanujacharya, Madhvacharya. They all have proved Krishnastu Bhagavan Swayam. Even Shankaracharya, he is this impersonalist. He has commented on his Bhagavad Gita. So Bhagavan Swayam Krishna. Krishna is the Supreme Personality of God. So Krishna is approved. And because Parikshit Maharaj wanted to talk about Krishna, the whole Bhagavad is full of Krishna Katha. That is the beginning. Therefore, Sukadeva Goswami said, Atavit Sammata. And then what is the next word? Shrotavyadishu Jat Paraha. Now we have got to hear so many things. And now what we are doing in this world, in big Delhi city, in the morning we get a bunch of paper to hear about so many advertisements, so many political struggles, and so many things, all useless waste of time. In our country, it is how many pages newspaper nowadays? But in the Western countries, such huge, a big bag, you see. Right, you see. So, there are so many things to hear. They are nonsense. Therefore he said, Sotabhadini Sujapara. This is there had been some political meeting. Many hundreds of people would have come to hear. But because we are talking of Krishna, nobody is here. Although it is the Sotabhyadi Sujatpara, it is the supreme subject matter to hear. This is the position. This is the position of the material world. They have lost interest even to hear about the transcendental life, what is this life, what is next life, how we can improve, where we are going. Nothing, simply like cats and dogs, they are working hard. Therefore Shastra says, Nayanga deho deho bhajang niloke kastana kaman arhati virbhujang ji. Virbhujang means the hogs, the pigs, who are eating stool. They are also working very hard for finding out the stool, where there is stool, where there is stool, where there is stool. So, Rishabdev word, my dear sons, this life, this human form of life is not meant for working so hard, simply for eating, sleeping, mating and defending. Then what it is meant for? Tapodibhang putrakajina suddhesh. My dear boys, just try to become austere. Just tapasya. Tapasya means voluntarily accepting some difficulties. Not difficulties, just like in our society. We say, no illicit sex life, no intoxication, no meat eating, no gambling. But in the Western countries, these things are daily affair. But they have given up. But then that they have died. All these boys and girls who have taken our Krishna consciousness movement, they have given up. No illicit sex life, no meat eating, no intoxication. They do not drink even tea, coffee. They do not smoke even cigarette. This is tapasya. We have become so unfortunate, led by rascal and fools leaders, that we are missing the opportunity of this human form of life where we can solve all the problems of life. And the indication are there. Here in Srimad Bhagavatam, Bhagavad Gita. Therefore, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mission is Jare Dakho Tare Kaho Krishna Upadesh. This is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mission. That Amar Agay Guru Haiya Taro Ei Desh. Jare Dakho Tare Kaho Krishna Upadesh. This is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mission. That I give you order. You, every one of you become spiritual master. Oh, I have no qualification. How can I become spiritual master? It requires high knowledge, Sanskrit, understanding. No, you don't require anything. Simply you speak Krishna. What is Krishna Upadesh? Krishna says, Sarvadharman parittajya mam ekam saranam. You simply go door to door and say, please surrender to Krishna. Then you spiritual master. I have done this. What I have done? I have gone to your country to say this thing, that here is Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead. You surrender, you become perfect. That is being done. So it is not very difficult to become spiritual master. Simply you have to become very serious and sincere to the service of Krishna. Therefore, Sukadeva Goswami, Bharyane Sate Prashna. Oh, it is very nice. Lokahitam. It will be beneficial to the whole human society. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.
Tava kripa hale mor katha shuddha habe shuniha sabara shoka dukkha je guchi bhe nachao Prabhu nachao se mate Bhakti Vedanta Nam Ebe Sartha Karo Bhakti Vedanta Nam Ebe Sartha